Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to change language on Temu. So to start, go ahead and open Temu, then click on You at the bottom. Once you click on You, click the settings icon at the top right, just beside the headphone icon. So click on that and you'll be directed to settings. Then from here, look for language. So scroll down a bit and look for language, tap on it. And in here, you can change your language. So I have here English and Filipino. So I just click Filipino, and as you can see, the language has been changed. So if you want more options, let me just click English again. So from here, now once you're here, you can also click country and region and select your country from here. For example, Australia. So you can switch to Australia. So click switch to Australia, for example, and that's it. So once you select a country in here, for example, Australia, you can see that the currency has also changed. And that's it. Thank you for watching.